Use this as an excuse to post a random picture, Instagram, chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Ellen John YTT. And from my page, you have to go to add your sticker at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So here you have to click until you find that story that I showed you at the beginning of the video. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment, where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. And once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get that link in the Instagram app. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a random picture. Of course, I will go with this one. You can make your sticker bigger or smaller and place it where you want, and once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So now let me show you from where you can get that link if you're not able to click on the add yours button. Click to super viral at highlights, and here you have to click. So there we have it. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this link right here. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.